that's why they call it God's country. Well, I saw the light in the sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on the muddy riverside, baptized in holy water and shining with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a being found, Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. Devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Don't I feel me so out of day? But I was sleeping out of warehouse where they're lady, and it's all night 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. I know what they say, money can't buy everything, maybe so. But you can buy me a boat to float down the water with a beer. I hear Powerball lotto with a sitting on a hundred bill. Well, that could buy me a brand new rod and reel, and it could buy